Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic 308SW in the Allure specification. So this car comes with a large panoramic glass roof, there's 17-inch alloy wheels, front and rear parking sensors. Inside the car, the touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. And on top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and there's cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine, it gives you 130 horsepower. It's got the 8-speed automatic gearbox, done under 12,500 miles. And if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.